The movie is The Revenant, and I'll be starting my video essay focusing on cinematography, mainly movement. So I really like this scene where the camera is just slightly moving into the scene and it goes closer to the protagonist's glass, and when the two shots starts, it's like more close frame, ignoring everyone else and just focusing on these two folks. Throughout the film, I feel like the movement shots are really nice. It's stable, yet it's handheld. This shot, I feel like it's gimbal and they're just moving it around. But most of the film is handheld, especially the scenes where they are fighting. The establishing shots are really nice as well. Like just a simple zoom in, and this one in the forest scene, it's a little pan and then revealing the characters. The camera is moving with them. That shows that the people who are watching it, they are in the story with them. So this is the fighting scene kind of. See, this is a lower angle shot to depict that the person over here is kind of like overshadowing the rest of them. This was Hug Glass' son and he's killing him. I think the movement on camera is very thoughtful as well. The pan going from right to left, and then the next scene is also from right to left, focusing, showing the perspective of the glass of his son that he is dying and he's seeing it all. And this pan shot of the trees, I feel like this is very important because this shows that the protagonist's glass is like so helpless and he can't help his son because he's so much wounded. So this one really sets the mood of the film. I really like the hand movement they have used when the protagonist is in the water, and this shot that he's seeing that there are people who are coming to kill him if they see him, and now they have seen him and he's running away from them. And all the water shots, I feel like exactly this one, it's showing what the protagonist is going through. His emotions are being shown through the movement of the camera. And I really like these. I think these are drone shots. These really sets the emotion that okay, now this far the glass has reached, the protagonist has reached. These sequence depicts that there is no hope for him because it's like nobody's in there, it's just the protagonist. He's all alone and lonely, nobody's there to help him, and even he doesn't know what's gonna come next, which sets the mood that okay, even the viewers don't know what's gonna happen next. And this really keeps the viewers focused that okay, now what's gonna happen. This scene, this lower shot depicts that the character is in power, that's why it's a lower shot. And then it moves to the close-up to show that his life, this character's life was really hard as well. His family were all killed, and he could feel what the glass is going through right now. And the camera goes to his eye level to show that this character and the glass have been through the same emotional journey.